Hi, this is Jordan Moore. Well, I'm about to do the Adventures beta cheats. I'm going to show you how to do it, but first I need to go to the training grounds. So I'll pause until I complete the training. Okay, I just completed the adventure tutorial. Sorry about that. I'm on level 3 with my bunny, so yeah. Trying the Panthems. I want to do normal because, yeah, I'm level 1. See if there's anyone else gonna help me. Okay, I'll go with you. Talk to Lisa. Let's see what she has to say. I'm so glad you're here. The Panthems have broken through our defenses and are polluting the forest. Yeah, blah blah blah. I know how to do this. Wait up, little raccoon baby. Baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh. LOL. Okay, anyway, so I want it. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's see if I could do this. Come on, Phantom. Into the little place. Into the little place. No. Here. Come here. No. Come here, yo. Oh, man. Ooh, gems. I'm trying to get another animal because today I got a panda. Or not a panda, a panda. Sorry, I'm a little tongue-tied. Oh! There's like the hard one's really hard. Because I used it with my bunny. Little cotton girl. I really want to get to the last one because there's a secret passageway for foxes, I think. Yeah, there's a secret passageway for foxes. It's pretty cool, as you could say. I've never been through it yet. That's really stinks. Please do it, because I need to go soon. I'm going to a book club. Die! Yay! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause this when we finish the court part because I get you're getting kind of bored. So yeah. Okay, so I'm on the last court. The very last cork. So, can this raccoon turn into a fox? Oh, let's hope he turns into a fox. Oh, I'm on the wall where I'm just saying. Yep, you can turn into a fox. Oh, you have an elephant monkey? No, I don't really want an elephant. I have a koala already. What are you? What are you? Well, don't think of it as just for fun. I'm trying to help you. This is like so you will know where all the wall water is and stuff. So you can kind of get used to what the adventure will be like. Oh, Cookie, you're so cute. Oh, Cookie, you're so cute. Can't you understand? I love that song, even though it's like a 50s-ish song, and yeah. Come on, buddies up. Gorgeous con girl to the rescue. And this enchanted raccoon thingamajig. Oh, please remember to send me jamograms saying your ideas for, movies because I'm, like, all out. I just saw the Wild West one, but yeah, I can't think of any more. I'm, like, so stuck. So please send me a jamogram saying your ideas. I will use every idea. So, and then I'll put your name, your user in the description. Okay. So, find another plant here. Try to plant. So, let's see. Sure. I do have kids, and I removed the buddy so I could add my dog that ran away, but then it turns out the buddy list was full. Go to Bunny Barrel, find the key, open the Phantom door. Oh, this is when it gets really intense. So, yeah. Banky. Banky. Hi, George. George. Your name is a lot like my name. George. Cool. Oh, Clover, I want the designer skirt, but it's too expensive. My sister, like, she's just so lucky she has the golden bow and arrow. Just like, no, I'm more after the crossbow. Why are we talking about this? Okay. So you're gonna go up here. Banky. Her name's her kid Banky. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I'm so lucky I have a Mac because they work good with me. And it's so big. Although I want a laptop so badly. Four keys and rescue the trap bunny is okay. Gem time. Peanut butter jelly. Gem time. Okay, I don't know why I just did that. Grab the key, and we'll rescue one trap bunny. Oh, there's another key over there. We'll go back to that. Oh, get some gems here, because I want to get another animal, even though I just got a panda today. Named Fuzzy Con Girl. And I name all them Con Girls. So it's like the Con Girl family reunion thing. Which one should I get? Daisy. I'll get you because you're the pretty one. I'm free. I can finally go home. Yay, freedom! Oh man, you got a key. You got my key. Oh, there's a key. There's a key. We both got keys. We both got keys. Yeah, you could also type stuff in. I'll save the nerdy one, Oliver. And I'll get Snowball. And there's a key like somewhere down here that I got. Oh man, that raccoon just died. Or not died, but got put into sleep. Let's see. I'm totally safe. Oh, I want the gems. Yay, gems. I love gems so much because they're like a lot to me. Yay, adventure complete. Epic. Alright, say best for last. I always get the wheelbarrow. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. But, yeah, oh man, so close. My dad will not come in. Alright. Just whatever anymore. I was on the adventure the whole time. 830. Okay, I'm gonna save up for new ammo. I'll get back on when I have it. Okay, I'll just play it because I'm gonna play best dress here. So, yeah. Because I think that's the quickest way to get the second quickest way to get an animal. Well, the first is what's it called? Oh, I'm being my seal dancing cotton girl. Shiniest. Let's see, what's shiny? Let's see. Shiny. None of these are really shiny. Living in the man. Okay, yeah, that's pretty. No. Tutu. I'll try the tutu, which isn't that shiny. Yellow. Design. Yellow. Let's see if there's anything else I could wear. Yeah, scary. This kind of puts me on the spotlight, so I'll use that. Sorry about that. I have the hiccups. Okay. There's, where is that? Where am I? Oh, there's me. I'll vote for you because you're pretty shiny. Oh man, I should have voted for the dolphin. That looks really shiny. Happy me! Now the winners. Oh, whoa, one vote, and I got 150 gems. I'll do another round. Just make sure. Okay, I'm still thinking which ammo I should get. Best for work. I think that none of these are really good for work, but I'll just wear a flower necklace. No, not work. I'll just put a clover skirt. Don't know why. Clover skirt. Work outfit black. Orange, brown, and white. Because it's kind of the workish routine. We'll do gray eyes. That looks worky-ish. I dress my best, and I hope I win. Okay, so I'll go with you. You don't get gems if you don't vote. I know that stinks. So nice. Now the winners. Yes, first. Thank you for voting for me. 3 votes. I think I have it now. Okay, I have it now. Oh man. Okay. The trident is for the shark. Okay, let's get a new animal here. Make a new animal. Let's make a horse, because I do not have a horse yet. Next, let's do Jennifer Cotton Girl. Because I do all of them with Cotton Girl. Bye. Clap, 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 yay! Happy as can be, a little horsey. Horsey poop. Now I want to make this more musketeer. And musketeer. We'll do pink is my favorite color. I'll absolutely always do pink. Purple! No, I'll do the secret color. You just click the corner, that's how you get the secret color. Oh, tiny little eyes. Okay. Little swirls, we'll do red swirls. Because it's like, whoa, I'm a horse now, whoa! Now let's see your dance moves, little guy. Okay, dance. That's the worst dancer ever. You could do like much better than that. I like how you hop, sleep. Oh my gosh, I love how you sleep. Okay, let's get a closer look. Okay, anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, play. I'm Buckaroo. Thanks for watching.